In a shocking tragedy, 23 children have died after consuming toxic cough syrup in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, 19 in MP, and 4 in Rajasthan. Following the incident, MP, Rajasthan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab have banned the sale and use of the syrup. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking a CBI probe and a review of drug safety mechanisms across India. Tamil Nadu's Drugs Control Department has issued a show cause notice to Shrisan Pharmaceuticals, the Kanchipuram-based manufacturer. Meanwhile, 2 Gujarat-based syrups, Relief and Respifresh TR, were also found contaminated with toxic chemicals, DEG and EG. The government has ordered strict nationwide checks to ensure drug safety and accountability.